Hi there, my name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders of BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get asked by our customers. How to set up for two-zone cooking in a Parrilla grill. Before we get into the how, let's start with the why. Having a two-zone cooking area allows you to set up with a hot zone and a cold zone. So what you can do is you can cook your meat all the way through nice and evenly in your cool zone, and then move it over to the hot zone, blast it with some heat, get that nice charring, render the fat out, and cook your steaks to perfection. To get our fire going, the first thing we need to do is get 3 firelighters, some kindling, then using your hardwood iron bark or red gum splits, position that over the top of the kindling. Once the wood has burnt down to coals, get yourself a long-handled rake and rake the coals under the grilling area where you'll be cooking. And finally, one thing that I like to do is to add some fresh splits to our hot zone. That way, as they burn down, we can continue to rake the coals over to our cooler zone as needed, or we have a really nice roaring hot fire when we're ready to sear. If you'd like to stay connected and keep on upping your barbecue game, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment below, give us a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.